Following 7 years available, BMW is resigning its 6th era 7 Series and supplanting it with a completely upgraded lead car for 2023. The new 7 Series wears BMW's most recent plan language, reviewing BMWs to come, and it comes stacked with tech. Both motor choices are increased with gentle cross-breed frameworks, and interestingly, there's a completely electric 7 Series to do fight with the Mercedes EQS and Tesla Model S. The standard 7 Series rivals other enormous extravagance vehicles including the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, Audi S8, and beginning G90. The last H7 Series was less a driver's vehicle and more a solace-situated transport than you'd anticipate that a BMW should be. The ride of the 2027 45e module mixture was as delicate and pillowy as an old Buick's, and its controlling and slows down were comparably unsatisfying. Furthermore, in spite of the fact that form quality was first-rate, the BMWs inside couldn't stay aware of the innovation and style of contributions from rivals Mercedes and Audi. With the new model, BMW expects to continue to expand on beyond 7 Series assets in hardware and solace, as well as develop powertrain and undercarriage elements. Seems as though it'll highlight the past model's grille overbite, as well. The 2023 7 Series has 6 and 8-chamber motor choices very much like the extravagance car it replaces, however BMW has changed and worked on those motors with 48-volt gentle mixture frameworks. BMW's most recent adaptation of the B58 Code 3.0-liter Super Inline 6 has been refreshed for additional power and lower outflows, creating 375 horsepower and 383 lb-ft, or up to 398 lb-ft with help from the mixture framework. Back tire drive will be standard, yet BMW has not yet referenced an all-wheel drive variation. The 740i will arrive at 60 miles per hour in a guaranteed 5.2 seconds, and we can anticipate an enhancement for the active model's 22/29 mpg city/roadway. Last year's 750i xdrive has been renamed as the 760i xdrive, and it's fueled by an updated form of the old vehicle's 4.4-liter twin-super V8.